Doing a little dance, doing a little bit of love. Wait, what's up, guys? We have honestly quite a bit to talk about in this video. It's looking obvious we're going into a recession in the coming months. If you were to ask people in mid-February what their thoughts were, I think most would not have said it would be this bad. But in today's age, in mid-April, it's pretty clear things are much different. 17 million US workers filed for unemployment in the last 3 weeks. I want to mention two safe investments though. I want to mention two safe recession-proof investments you can look into to make more money during this time, because you don't do anything, you might potentially miss out on one of the biggest investment opportunities of a lifetime when the market inevitably recovers and goes back up. So I've been trading for 6 years and I worked on Wall Street, okay? But I'm not a financial advisor, but I do have an idea of a few stocks that look like they are on I can't even pronounce how excited I am. Two stocks that look like they are on a stupid discount. So at the very least, they're gonna do pretty well if the market tanks. All right, so let me go into these two opportunities. By the way, please sub and like this video, because not only am I a goofball, but I have a ton of knowledge about the stock market, and it also helps the channel grow so I can make more videos to educate awesome people watching like you. All right, Procter Gamble. If I learned anything about the panic buying we witnessed in recent days, it's that no matter the condition of the economy, everyone needs basic goods like toilet paper, detergent, and toothpaste, but clearly not razors, as I have stopped shaving. Okay, that's just me being lazy. That makes a company like Procter Gamble a highly recession-resistant stock though. It's also nice, as you can see, Procter Gamble has a beta of 0.4. What's beta? Beta is a measure of a stock's volatility in relation to the market. So if the market is down 10%, in theory, Procter & Gamble should be down just 4%. The dividend isn't huge, but 2.6% is slightly above average. Okay, let's get to the real bread and butter of our economy. We all know healthcare is important, especially in times like this. I've never been a fan of healthcare stocks because they require a stupid amount of research to pick the right ones. You really have to dive in deep, okay? All right, I've got the perfect solution though. How would you like to simply put or buy one company that owns all the top consumer brands like baby care, skin care, oral care, as well as has investments in all kinds of medical devices, oncology drug research, diabetes drugs, and much more? Well, I've got the right choice for you. It's called XLV. It's an ETF which holds multiple stocks within it, saving you time and energy from buying a bunch of random healthcare stocks. Instead, XLV does the work for you. Here's the breakdown of the top 10 stocks it holds. These companies like Johnson & Johnson, Merck, Pfizer, and more. This way, you get to own many high-quality healthcare stocks without having to pick and do the research yourself. Best of all, here's the performance of XLV versus the general stock market. It's winning by about 7%. All right, that's awesome. Special thank you to all of those that clicked the like button and have subscribed, as it really helps my channel grow so I can make a lot more videos. Also, don't forget to invest safe and do your own research. All right, it's Henry here. Peace out.